Hey guys, Rico here from FindingUFO. We have got a pretty good footage here of a black triangular shaped UFO hovering over Islamabad, Pakistan. So let's take a look at the footage and we'll talk about it afterwards.
1 hour now. More than 1 hour now. It's kind of unreal. Very, very good. This is definitely not a drone. I mean, I was flying a drone when it came in for a landing and I saw this thing. This is unbelievable. Drones, they can't really last this long. It's just sitting there, not doing anything. I wanted to do something, I wanted to, whiz by or something. This is quite amazing, isn't it? With my naked eye, I can hardly now see it. Yeah, with my naked eye, I can hardly see it now. Let me zoom. Wait. Still there, it's just the zoom. I'm waiting for it to move or do something. I'm gonna say there, it's very dark. I mean, this object, whatever this is, and it is getting dark. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see it. Dead still. It's just dead still. It's not a drone. It's definitely not a kite, and it's not a bird. Here's a bird. Here's a bird. There's a bird. But this is not a bird. In the same spot. See? Boom. And when I looked up, I spotted this. And it's still here. I'm making it from my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I mean, this is the best it can get. I mean, here you can see birds. Where are the birds? They are the birds. There the birds are. So that's definitely not a bird. There was a fly or something. Let me zoom in. Let me see if it can zoom in. Let me see. There we go.
So guys, this footage was captured on January 25th, 2022, and the witness stated that he noticed this dark object in the sky hovering as he was landing his drone. He went to the rooftop of his building, filming from there on his iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, in the footage, we can see this triangular shaped craft hovering motionless, and I know what you are thinking right now. Why won't he fly his drone back up to film it closer? I wish he had done that as well, guys. Regardless, it's an amazing catch. The witness stated that the object hovered for nearly 2 hours at the same spot when eventually it got dark and he couldn't see it anymore. The complete original footage is over 13 minutes long. I had to trim it down, otherwise this video would have been too long. But I have put the link in the description. Feel free to check it out and comment that I've sent you there. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to enable your notifications by pressing the bell and press on all to never miss a video. And until next time, stay safe guys, and thank you for watching.